So we're going to talk about hygiene and just the ingredients of things that you need to pay attention to when it comes to hygiene and skincare. This video is sponsored by Lumo, and this is the brand Lumo. I don't know if it's visible, but it's they do shower gel, they do deodorant, they do perfume, and basically it's a middle of the road variant of skincare product, but then it's also a good middle of the road. What I mean by this is, right, the way that it makes you smell is not cheap at the end, and there's actual good ingredients in here. So I'm gonna just point out the two main ingredients that you need to pay attention to in a 3-in-1 bath gel like this. 3-in-1 means that it's going to be used on your face, your body, and your hair, which is very lazy, which I like, because I start to feel a bit feminine if I just spend 100 hours taking care of my body, yeah? I want to just use one thing and get out of there. So this product appeals to me. There's basically the cleaning elements of the bath gel. Now, this thing is the best soap I've ever used, which is a bit funny, but then I've never been a soap connoisseur. I've never actually bought soap which is not just bar soap. Do you see? I'll use Dettol, I'll use some normal bar soap basically. And I've scrubbed my body with it, but you see, the dead skin doesn't fall off quite as much or quite as easily as with this Lumo thing. So as much as it is considered a middle of the road thing, somehow this has given me the best experience of bathing. I felt cleaner than ever, and somehow the components of it seem to actually aid you in bathing easier, meaning you're not scrubbing quite as much to get a similar result because there are chemical things at work. Here are the sort of ingredients that are good in it. There is cocamidopropyl betaine, which is a secondary cleanser derived from coconuts. So there's the primary cleanser, of course, which is the soap in it, but then there's that secondary cleanser, which is giving you the additional effect of taking off that dead skin, taking off, there's some dirt there, which it's helping to take off above and beyond the normal soap. So then that's one thing you should pay attention to. The second one is polyquaternium 7, which is a conditioning agent for skin and hair. Conditioning of skin and conditioning of hair is the difference between, it's actually a breakage metric when it comes to hair. When you condition your hair, you can have long and alive hair, right? And you can have hair which sort of shows deeper colors and signs of health. Same thing for skin. You can have your skin without falling apart, having dandruff, without chipping and stuff like that. You can have it be good for longer. You see, you take your bath, right? And your skin will be good for longer. If you go out there and you're ashy, understand your skin is dying immediately. So you're going to change the immediacy effect of your skin falling apart. You're going to change this. That's the main idea on polyquaternium 7. And there's this other word, Sorry, I'm going to learn how to say this because I didn't really see what it was before I made the video. This is ethyl hexaglycerin. Oh, that's not so bad. Ethyl hexaglycerin, a skin conditioning agent and preservative booster. So then more of the skin conditioning, right? And then the final ingredient is pagostemon capelin oil, patchouli oil. Right, this is the definition of it. Patchouli oil, used for scent/skin benefits. So, the idea is these ingredients, one, condition your skin, which is good for appearance, and condition your hair, which is good for appearance. And then secondly, there's that final ingredient, which just helps with your scent also throughout the day, if that makes sense. Like, not that it's just heavily perfuming you or something, but then there's a release to the smell, the essence of the bath gel. And this is the Azure variant of the thing. So I'll tell you what, this smells like, the thing about these Lumo products, and I'm going to show you all of them, right, is they smell normal alone. They smell like a normal, maybe Axe body spray or slightly better alone. But the combination of them becomes like a higher class smell, if that makes sense. It's almost like they're building blocks where you can use the building block by itself, but when you put it together, it becomes a house. So then the house is of higher value than the building blocks, the bricks. This is how the Lumo products work, in my experience. So then there's this, like the cleanest freaking bath I've ever had with this, and unexpectedly so, I thought it was a normal soap, but apparently cocoa amidopropyl, this thing is very good at making you cleaner than your normal bath soap. Yeah. So the next thing that I have here is the body spray. This is the Arctic Spice variant. It says keeps you smelling your best all day. Now, the thing about this perfume is, like, in essence, it's fine on its own. It's like a fairly normal, manly, somewhat musky smelling perfume. However, when you combine it with the bath gel, and then there's the stacked sort of smell. I'm trying my best to explain these things to you. There's a certain mid-tone, I'm going to try my best here. There's a certain middle note that this bath gel hits, right, which blooms on you. And then there's a higher note and a lower note that are hit by this, that then make it a complete song or a complete sound, for lack of better words. I wouldn't know how to describe this, but essentially you'll smell good in a normal way, like your normal teenager variant, cheaper sort of, like not cheap necessarily like ground floor cheap, but definitely normal groceries level cheap smell if you just put this thing on by itself. If you put this thing on plus this thing, the combination of it becomes classier, and you smell like you do have your $100 perfume on, right? I would know because I buy these $100, $200 perfumes. So I actually enjoy this, like, but also for real. And the brilliant thing about these Lumo products is it's not overwhelming or overbearing. The things fade quite well into a constant bloom, meaning it is not so intense all day that you're killing people with your smell, right? And it's a fairly neutral smell until someone hugs you or someone comes right past you and feels the air off of you, meaning it is not invasive. That's the brilliant thing about Savant, like, not Savant, I'm reading this freaking French label, Lumo skincare products, a hygiene product. Then the final one is the roll-on, also like fairly understated. What I like about this is alcohol free, and in essence it is a, how do you say, a background noises, if that makes sense. So there would be this, which is the mid-tones of the way you smell, right? This would be the upper and lower tones of how you smell, the musk, and then there's some perfume notes which are some higher pitched, sort of oceanic, for lack of better words, smells, or like bright smells. And then there's this, which is a background effect, if that makes sense. It's Michael Jackson screaming on Smooth Criminal. It completes the damn song, you know what I mean? You could just have a straight Smooth Criminal and it's a good song. but there's something about this scream, right? So then this is that scream, but it's a background element. It's not the song. So that's how it combines with the other two. So all three of these things in combination, this, and this, will have you smelling like good, smelling professional, and the reason I take pause is because I'm actually giving a proper, genuine description. Take some time to load in very perfect words for this, and this is not scripted, by the way. This is actually my opinion. It's a complete, like, I would rely on this. Like if you said for the whole of your life you had to use these Lumo products only, I'd say no, this is good, because as an old person I could still smell like this and it wouldn't be just like a bright and vibrant super young person smell only. It's quite transcendent. So in essence, Lumo is it's a staple food type of combination of products, right? A staple food type of combination of products. If you put it on your grocery list, you don't have to worry, you can forget. You don't need to worry about it being something that would degrade your image when you're making that $1,000, $100,000, $10,000 deal, right? And then also something simple enough. I'm super happy about that 3-in-1 bath gel, because I really am not trying to buy 3 things to put in my bathroom, damn it. I want to use one. So that's my summary of this, the Lumo line of products. That's the people who are sponsoring me for my competition. It's a Mr. Zimbabwe competition called Misters of Zimbabwe. But it doesn't mean that I'm going to say a good thing about you because you're my sponsor. I'll still tell the truth. And I actually like this. So this is my review of this thing. If you see this thing, please understand that it's a good thing. It's not bad at all. And in fact, it will improve your image, because smelling good and smelling subtle is the sign of a peak gentleman.